Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl, Purple. And Baby O is in his walker watching Gracie's Corner at the moment. Your girl is gonna have breakfast and a chit chat with you guys. Y'all already know I've already fed the baby. He had oatmeal with bananas this morning. So I did get McDonald's, y'all. I had so many points for when I was pregnant because that was like my go-to breakfast space because it's close by the house. I have the app and I can just like park in the parking lot. They bring it to me and then I drive back home. So yeah, I have a lot of points. So they texted me earlier this week and said some of my points were expiring soon. So I had enough points, y'all, to get me some breakfast this morning. So I got a big breakfast with bacon. And I got a large French vanilla iced coffee with extra cream and sugar. But we finna have a chit chat. So if y'all wanna know what the girl wanna talk to y'all about, stay tuned. Okay, Rollies. Okay. This chit chat is gonna be about mommyhood. I have a couple of questions to ask my Rollies who are moms and dads that's already walked in the walk that I'm walking in, who I'm stepping in your shoes. I mean, you guys know what I'm saying. My first question to my Rollies: at what age, what size do I take Orlando out of his little carrier seat that he rides in? Because his head is now getting to the top and his feet is at the end. So he's like right at the top and the bottom of that carrier seat. What age or what size do you normally transfer them out of those carrier seats? And what is the next car seat? Now, I do have a car seat for him, but I don't know if that's the next car seat that he should be in or if that's too big for him. So Rollies, help your girl out. You know I'm a first-time mom and I'm trying to do the best I can and do it the right way. So comment below and let me know. Help me, y'all, help me. My next question is, when do you start giving your baby like spring water, drinking water, mixing it with his formula instead of the nursery water? Orlando is now 8 months old. I'm unsure when do I start giving him, like, I could give him like spring water or drinking water or whatever. Let me know when you guys made that transition. Let me know if there's any tips that you would give me in reference to that. Now, I will be asking Orlando's pediatrician, but he does not have an appointment until mid of next month. So I figure my Rollies can help me out before then. At least get opinions of everybody in reference to that. Y'all hear my baby? He loves Gracie. OMG, he can watch it all day. And I watch it with him and it's very entertaining and educational. So I don't mind allowing him to watch it, and everybody knows me, that knows me well, knows that I'm not a TV person, and I was totally against him watching TV because I barely watch TV. But it is something that's educational, and then I kind of hear him trying to sing the songs. So I'm down for that. So if it helps him develop, I'm with it. My next question, guys: when did your baby start to crawl? And when did they start to walk? And did they skip crawling altogether? Comment and let me know. Orlando likes to scoot backwards. He's been scooting backwards for a while. Well, last night I had Reese's Pieces in that bright orange box and I was shaking them. I put the box down. Orlando wanted to get into the box. He took out in a fast forward crawl and grabbed the box. I was stunned and surprised. The first time I've ever seen him crawl forward. Now, I know he did crawl forward one other time to my brother, but he was trying to get some chicken from him. So I assume that he's only gonna crawl forward if there's an incentive for him. But let your girl know, when did your child or your children start crawling? And when did they start walking? Now, Orlando likes to slide out of your lap and hold on to your pants leg and just stand there. He doesn't try to step or anything like that. He just stands there. And then sometimes, depends on what's on TV, if he hears something, he thinks that he can dance. He thinks he has moves. So he starts to dance while he's holding on to your pants leg. And it is the cutest little thing because he's so short. OMG, he's so short. And I'm hoping that he takes the taller gene from my side of the family, my brothers, and not his dad, because his dad is not all that tall. I do not want Orlando to be a munchkin like that. But I still will love him. You guys know that. Okay, Rollies, the last question of this chat. When did your baby start eating solid foods, and what were the first few foods that you gave your baby? Comment below and let me know. Right now, Orlando is eating pureed baby food still. I do allow him to taste certain things that I'm eating or that I eat, like vegetables. I make sure they're really steamed so they're softened. You know, he can gum them up pretty well because he only has 2 little teeth on the bottom. And he likes, you guys hear him? He's so cute over there in this little walker. He likes mashed potatoes. I was going to say meatloaf. I don't know where that came from. He likes mashed potatoes, but only if it has gravy on it. And he will eat that. So he's been introduced to that. And he also loves fruits. And you guys know I'm a big fruit fan. So I do have that little pacifier that I put the chopped up fruit in, and he eats it through the pacifier. So those are the things that I've been giving him as far as real food, table food. So comment below, let me know what you started your babies on, how old were they, and if there's any special tricks that maybe you could pass on to a first-time mommy. So Rollies, thank you guys so much for watching and having breakfast with me, because Orlando's watching Gracie and he's not paying mommy any attention. Now he's looking at me. Yes. Say mommy. He won't say it. I'm gonna be so excited, guys, when I hear him say mommy. Bonus question. When was the first time and what age was it that your baby said mommy the first time, or daddy for the first time? Comment and let me know. Rollies, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can give it a thumbs down if you like. Answer some of my questions. If you don't have the answers to all of them, or if you have any suggestions that may help me along, please drop it below. I take all suggestions and comments in. I enjoy conversing back with my YouTube family, and a lot of the suggestions that you guys gave me before I started with Orlando while I was pregnant, I've implemented them and it worked for me. So I appreciate all of your comments, any tips, I appreciate it. So Rollies, until the next video, later.